Hi, my name is Danner B. Salvacion from BIS IT second year. I'm recording this now to explain the system solutions, and I will showing the diagram that I have drawn, and I will explain how it works, and also I will address each integration issue and how it will solve it. So here's the explanation. The issue is the duplicated or multiple student records. So here's the solution to that problem. The solution is to implement unique student ID in ID generation during registration. Use a data deduplication algorithm to merge duplicate records. Last is the enable input validation and suggestion to prevent duplicate entries. So the second issue is the library borrowing complex. So here's the solution to that problem. So first is to implement real-time book status updates using API and web sockets. Second is use database transactions to prevent conflicts. Third is introduce a reservation period where a book is temporarily locked before checkout. So the third issue is slow attendance sync. So the solution to that problem is use webhooks instead of batch processing for real-time updates. Second is implement message queues to process attendance records efficiently. Last is the optimized database indexing to speed up queries. So the last issue is the payment verification delays. So the solution to that problem is integrate instant payment notification IPN or API from bank for e-wallets. Second is use asynchronous processing to verify payments in the background. So allow student to upload payment receipts as a fallback if delay occurs. So I will explain my architecture for my system. So as you can see, this is the database system, enrollment system, library system, attendance monitoring system, and payment system. So let's start with the last one, which is the payment system. So from the payment system to database system, it will use integration method, which is the API to verify payments. So for the attendance to database is it will use also the API and webhooks for real-time updates. So for the library is it also use API for real-time student info. So the last is the enrollment to database. Enrollment to database. It will use database integration. So that's my explanation for my architecture system. So the last one that I will explain is the addressing each integration issue and how it will solve it. So first is duplicated system records or enrollment system issue. So using integration method or database system. So the problem is students have multiple records due to manual entry errors during enrollment. So the solution to that problem is um, unique student ID or the primary key in database. Second is to enforce a unique student ID when registering in the enrollment system. So the second problem is library borrowing complex. So using integration method with which is the API integration. So the problem is student can borrow books that are already taken due to delayed updates. So the solution to that problem is using real-time book status update using API. So the last is the when a student borrow a book it will send to a API request to update the library system immediately. So the third problem is the slow attendance sync. So integration method use is the webhooks. So the problem is in the attendance record take hours to update due to batch processing. So the solution to that problem is using real-time sync using webhooks. So when a teacher marks attendance, It will trigger a webhook that updates the student database instantly. So the last is the payment verification trace. Integration method uses is the API integration and webhooks. So the problem is payments made through banks or e-wallets take hours to reflect. So where's the solution? So instant payment notification or the IPN via API. So the last is when a student pays, the bank e-wallet sends an API response immediately. So that's all. Thank you.